Hey students! Today, we're going to learn about the operators used in C++ programming. We'll make it super easy and quick. Let's get started. C++ has several arithmetic operators that let you do math with numbers. Think of them like the symbols you use in regular math. Addition. We use the plus sign, plus, to add two numbers. Subtraction. We use the minus sign, minus, to subtract one number from another. Multiplication. We use the asterisk operator, to multiply two numbers. Division. We use the slash, to divide one number by another. Modulus, remainder. We use the percentage sign, percent, to find the remainder after dividing two numbers. C++ gives us prefix and postfix increment and decrement operators. Here's how they work. Prefix increment operator. The value is increased by 1 first, and then that new value is used. Postfix increment operator. The original value is used first, and then it's increased by 1. Prefix and postfix decrement operators work in the same way, but they decrease the value instead of increasing it. C++ gives us special symbols called operators to test conditions. These are like questions we ask the computer. Here are the main ones. Greater than. Is one thing bigger than another? Greater than or equal to. Is one thing bigger than or the same as another? Less than. Is one thing smaller than another? Less than or equal to. Is one thing smaller than or the same as another? Not equal to. Are two things not the same? This one acts like an inverter, because it checks if things are different. C++ gives us logical conditional operators, which means we can use more than one comparison operator at a time. These operators are and, or, not. C++ gives us extra arithmetic assignment operators. These include addition assignment, that is, plus equal, subtraction assignment, that is, minus equal, multiplication assignment, that is, asterisk equal, division assignment, that is, slash equal. These operators let you do an arithmetic operation and assign the result in one step. For more detail, visit our YouTube channel, BrainTrain by Sir Attar.